Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide apps on iOS 18. So let's take for example the TikTok application down here. If we want to hide this on our iPhone, you simply need to take your finger and hold down on the application like so. This will bring up the menu screen, and from here select Require Face ID. Click on Hide and Require Face ID, and then at the bottom select Hide App. Now as you can see, that's going to remove the TikTok application from your home screen. Now if I scroll all the way over to the right hand side, you'll see we now have this hidden folder, and this is where TikTok is going to be located. So in order to unhide this, we simply need to click on the folder, scan your Face ID or enter your iPhone password, and that's going to make the TikTok application reappear. Now while the application is hidden, it won't even appear in the search box here. So if I search for TikTok, you can see it's nowhere to be found on my phone. If you want to remove your application from this hidden folder, simply click on the folder like so, scan your Face ID, and then hold down on the application that you want to remove. Select Don't Require Face ID, and once again just scan your ID. Now as you can see, it's been removed from this hidden folder. So if I scroll back over to my home screen, you can see we now have the TikTok app back on our home screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.